Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode. This is episode 7, I'm pretty sure, and it's the Adobe series. So welcome back to a new episode and good morning. Alright guys, what I'm gonna teach you today is this tool. It's called the crop tool, it's just so you can see what it's called out here. So it's called the crop tool, and the crop tool is basically pretty simple. It's a really simple principle. You can crop your images. Let's say I want this. Boom. Now I have this, and it actually looks like a freaking banner. Jeez. You just click on this. Boom, and you have this. Delete crop pixels. I don't want to delete that. Yeah. And there we go. So we could also make content aware, I guess. So let's do that. So there's a lot of funny things you can do with this tool. So I basically just showed you like half of it, I guess. So you have your grids here. You have some straightening tool, I guess you will say, and then you have the settings here, but I'll never use the settings, cause why would you? So I'll just show you here. It's a very short video, so I'm gonna show you what this does. It basically takes if you have anything that is vertical, but it's a little to the side. I can't remember what it's called. It's not vertical up straight, but it's to the side of it. It's 45 degrees to the side of it's a few degrees to the side. Okay, like this umbrella. I don't know what it's called in English. If you have that, this tool is great for it. So you go up here to the straightening tool, and you select the part that is aligned really shitty, and you do boom, bam, scatter damn bitch, and then it says, oh, I'm gonna straighten this shit up 100% vertical, and still fuck up the other part of the image, but it did it, right? So that's basically it. That's it. What do I do here? This is now see, this is 100% straightened up. If it can't be straightened up since no matter, okay. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you next time. Bye.